Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of keto with some simple and delicious breakfast ideas that will kickstart your day. Let's face it, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but who has time for a gourmet spread every morning? Certainly not me. That's why I'm going to show you some quick and easy keto breakfast recipes that even a donkey could manage. We're talking maximum flavor, minimum fuss. You won't believe how easy it is to start your day right with these keto-friendly options. First up, we're starting with a classic for a reason: avocado and eggs. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's packed with healthy fats to power you through the morning. We're not messing about with fancy techniques here. Fry up your eggs to your liking, sunny side up, over easy, scrambled, whatever tickles your fancy. While they're cooking, slice open a ripe avocado. You want to feel that give when you press gently on the skin. Scoop out a generous portion onto your plate and season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, carefully slide them onto the bed of avocado. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and utterly delicious keto breakfast to fuel your day. Now for those of you who are always on the go, let's whip up a quick and easy keto smoothie. Don't even think about reaching for those sugary store-bought versions. This is a smoothie with a purpose. Grab your blender and toss in a handful of spinach. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. Then, add in some unsweetened almond milk, a dollop of creamy almond butter for healthy fats, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, I like to use vanilla, and a few ice cubes for that frosty texture. Blitz it all together until you have a smooth, creamy concoction. Pour it into a glass and you've got yourself a breakfast that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Chapter 3. Keto Bacon and Cheese Muffins. Savory bites of keto heaven. Next up, we're diving into something truly special: keto bacon and cheese muffins. These little beauties are perfect for meal prep or a grab-and-go breakfast. First, crisp up some bacon until it's golden brown and deliciously crispy. Then, in a bowl, whisk together some eggs, shredded cheddar cheese, because who doesn't love a bit of cheese, and a spoonful of cream cheese for that extra creaminess. Crumble in the crispy bacon and give it all a good stir. Pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin and bake until golden brown and puffed up. These savory muffins are packed with flavor and will keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long. Chapter 4. Keto Pancakes, Fluffy, Buttery. Goodness! Now I know what you're thinking. Pancakes on keto? You heard me right. These keto pancakes are a revelation. In a bowl, combine almond flour, coconut flour, a touch of sweetener, I like to use erythritol, and a pinch of baking powder. In a separate bowl, whisk together some eggs, melted butter, because everything's better with butter, and a splash of almond milk. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Don't overmix it. Heat a griddle over medium heat and spoon the batter onto the hot surface. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown. Stack those beauties high, drizzle with some sugar-free syrup, and get ready for a pancake experience that's out of this world. Chapter 5. Keto Chia Pudding, a refreshing start to your day. Finally, let's end on a lighter note with a refreshing Keto Chia Pudding. This is one of those recipes that's so simple it's almost embarrassing. In a jar or container, combine chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, a dollop of unsweetened coconut yogurt for a touch of tanginess, and a drizzle of sugar-free vanilla extract. Give it a good stir, screw on the lid, and let it hang out in the fridge overnight or for at least a few hours. The chia seeds will work their magic, absorbing the liquid and creating a pudding-like consistency. Top it off with some fresh berries, a sprinkle of unsweetened shredded coconut, or a few chopped nuts for added crunch. Chapter 6. Keto Breakfast Champions. There you have it, 5 simple keto breakfast ideas to keep you on track and satisfied. From savory to sweet, there's something here for everyone. Remember, breakfast doesn't have to be a chore. With a little bit of creativity and these delicious recipes, you can start your day the keto way and feel like a champion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.